Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to go over, I finally got my steam dryer, yay. We're going to show you the proper way of hooking it up, okay? Now, this is a Samsung. They're all basically the same. Doesn't matter the manufacturer, the hookup is still going to be basically the same, okay? What you're going to get is a little package like this. It's going to be in some sort of shape, maybe in a box, maybe in a sack, maybe in something like that, okay? Now, what it does is, this is how you get water to your thing. So what you're going to do is, you're going to hook this up to the water, the cold water, okay? And this basically just screws on like normal. Here's my valve, okay? Then you're going to put this one on. This is a Y valve, okay? You hook the Y valve on, okay? This screws on here. Make sure you get this tight because otherwise you don't want it leaking. Now, one goes to washer, one goes to dryer. You're probably going to have to get another hose, okay? Unfortunately, they don't sell hoses in 3s now. They only sell hoses in 2, so you're going to have to come up with another hose, okay? So what you're going to do is, once you've got this, and we'll pretend this is the hose you've bought coming off of this. This is your line right here, okay? And basically, this is going to go onto here. And then the same thing as you would do in like a water line for a washer. You're going to screw it in, and you're going to make sure it's tight, okay? And then once you're tight, okay, it's basically going to look like this coming off of this, which is hooked on to your water valve. This is, like I said, you're going to have a full-size 4-foot water line. This is just to show you that it basically just screws on just like that. Doesn't have to be neat. It's not as particular special. It's a universal fit. It's real easy. Like I said, you're probably going to have to buy another set of hoses. I don't know if they sell hoses individually. If they sell them individually, great. Get a third one. If you don't sell them individually, you're still going to need another hose because you got to run a full-size hose to this to make it hook up. It doesn't actually put steam in your dryer. What it does is it spritzes water in your dryer, which then turns to steam in your dryer, which helps pull the wrinkles out of your clothes for the clothes that have been sitting there or clothes you don't want to iron, okay? It doesn't actually, no, you will not see a big bank of steam coming down inside your dryer. You won't see that. None of them do that. But what it does, like I said, it adds the water. Then you have the heat, okay, of the dryer, which helps turn that into, for lack of a better way to explain it, steam. But basically it damps the clothes a little bit, it gets hot, and the wrinkles come right off. But that's how you basically hook it up. It's not rocket science. You can do it at home. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to redo the video or find other videos that will help you out, but it's pretty easy. Don't forget to subscribe and come back to the YouTube channel for more wonderful information. Have a good day.